Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Maicon and I am a quality assurance and software developer, and today I want to talk about a simple but powerful technique in software testing, error guessing. You can see here, this is what I mean. And basically, error guessing is a technique where testers use their intuition and experience to find bugs that might be not caught by regular test case. But Michael, tell me about what is the error guessing? This technique doesn't follow a strict set of rules. Instead, testers think about where bugs might be happening based on their past experience, knowledge of similar system, or how user might behave. And for this case, for just my idea just not stay and just explain and talk about it. I want to show you something in practice. For example, a page, an assisting web system as well, and trying to explain to you how you can use, how you can just make just not reading but do something or press some buttons as well. And for this case, I have a login page here. It's a simple page, and I'm using Angular and Bootstrap to create that. That you can see here. Here is my project. It's a simple project, and this is in execution. Not complicated, not very hard. It's just a simple page in a login page. Okay. Let me just close my camera and continue the explanation. And here, when we talk about error guessing, usually it's, as I told you earlier, it's our experience, how you know the system, how you can see the user doing something, how you can just try to do what the user do. And for in this case, I don't have document, I don't have test case. In user case, I'm just using my experience, and my goal here is just an objective. It's find errors in the system or different behaviors that could happen in a real world. And first moment, okay, I will just look here. Login password both are empty. I will click in the button enter. Sorry, both login and password they are empty, and then I click in the button enter. Okay, one scenario. Another scenario, let me just put the maximal characters here, maximal characters here. Okay, another scenario could be if I put this way, for example. And look here, I'm using different characters, and if I put this way, oh, all right. My test is good, but the result was not good. Usually in the real world, we don't have this type of the email, for example, and usually like this, or just empty here. And another option could be if I'm trying to use a login that there isn't in our database, for example, no user password just 123. Okay, this is correct, but as I told you, I have just a simple page. I don't have exception for everything. I don't have another page, just login page. But and we can now understand a little more about error guessing. In this case, it's recommended, or sometimes we are testing a specific functionality that is so important, and we need to be careful. And we don't have a document, we don't have test case, but we need to try to do our best. I mean, try to find errors in that functionality, in that page, for example. Let me just open my camera. Okay, here, my camera is here. Guys, I appreciate your time, and was a pleasure stay here with you again and show you something about error guessing. Of course, this is a technique. We have a bunch of others. We have a lot of different techniques that can help in our tester, in our basic daily. But this technique, it's important. We can use that, and we can try to extract the maximum is possible with this technique. Okay, and I will just I'll finalize showing this picture here. And guys, one more time, I appreciate your time. Thank you for your time in this video, and see you next. Bye bye.